Remedies presents 12 amazing reasons to grow mint at home and how to do it. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will tell you about the amazing health benefits of mint leaves and how you can grow it at your home. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Mint or mentha belongs to the Lamiaceae family and is one of the best beneficial plants you can grow. There are around 13 to 18 different species of mint. Mint has sharp, refreshing smell and taste. Its cooling sensation has found its uses in many cosmetic products like mouthwashes, ointments, toothpaste, bath products. Mint is also used in the kitchen since it gives the cooling taste in our salads, cocktails or smoothies. But besides these everyday uses, it also has many health benefits. I will give you 12 reasons why you should plant it at home. Relieves headaches and nausea. Mint successfully relieves migraines and headaches, so you should just rub a fresh mint leaf on the forehead or drink a cup of mint tea. Soothes respiratory disorders and cough. The intense smell of mint eases breathing and treats respiratory problems. Rub a few mints on the chest or apply a natural mint cream on the chest to soothe the cold. To ease breathing, inhale or drink mint tea. Treats asthma. Mint leaves are rich in rosmarinic acid, which is a powerful antioxidant that prevents allergies and soothes respiratory problems including asthma. Improves oral health. The leaves of this herb have strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which inhibit the development of bacteria in the mouth. Just rub mint leaves on the teeth and gums to prevent infections and dental issues and improve dental health. Helps in digestion. Mint helps digestion and soothes the stomach. It is rich in phytonutrients and antioxidants that improve the production of digestive enzymes and treat digestive issues. Scientists have shown that its effectiveness is due to the high menthol content. You should drink 2 cups of mint tea daily to prevent indigestion and bloating. Strengthens the immune system. Mint is a rich source of vitamin C, B, D and E, calcium, phosphorus, phytochemicals, so it boosts the immune system, treats infections and fights colds. Helps during breastfeeding. This beneficial herb cures pain, tenderness and inflammation during breastfeeding. Just rub a mint leaf on the breasts or drink a cup of mint tea to soothe the discomfort. Fights cancer. This plant helps in the treatment of liver, lung, skin and colon cancer as it cuts off the blood supply in the cancer cells. Stops hiccups. You can get rid of hiccups by either chewing on mint leaves or drinking an 8-ounce glass of water spiced with a few sprigs of mint, thanks to the menthol which soothes muscle spasms. Improves mood. Mint supports the serotonin production in the brain and thus improves memory and mood. Promotes weight loss. This herb helps digestion and boosts the production of digestive enzymes, so it effectively supports the process of losing extra pounds. Improves memory. Studies have found that it effectively boosts thinking and memory and reduces forgetfulness. Drink a few cups of mint tea daily. Therefore, it would be highly beneficial if you grow your own mint herb at home. All you have to do is the following. Take a 12 to 16 inches wide pot, fill it with soil and just plant a mint leaf in it. Then place the pot in a sunny place in your home and trim it when it reaches 6 inches. You should trim the flower buds too in order to keep the herb in place. To preserve it, harvest only a third of its leaves at a time. How to use mint. Mint can be pretty versatile herb, depending on your taste. You can add mint when cooking fish, lamb, chicken, salads, cooked vegetables, potatoes. Spice your cocktails, tea, or even lemonade by adding a few mint leaves in them. The choice is yours. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.